case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Georgia high school student, J.R.L, faced charges including vehicular homicide after causing a fatal collision while driving under the influence. This led to the case of In the Interest of J.R.L. in 2013, which focused on whether a juvenile offender can be tried as an adult if the crime committed is serious enough and the community's need for a public trial outweighs the juvenile's need for treatment. The juvenile court decided to transfer the case to Superior Court, and J.R.L. disagreed with this decision, arguing he could be treated in the juvenile system. However, the appellate court upheld the transfer, stating that the community's interest in treating J.R.L. as an adult outweighed his interest as a juvenile, and that the necessary factors were considered.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.